Good morning, welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We have some cloudy skies starting to develop across the region with some low cloudiness moving into the Wallops region this morning. Going to continue to see this low cloudiness build across the area for the afternoon and evening hours today. It's going to give us an overall mostly cloudy to cloudy sky today, even a slight chance of a sprinkle or drizzle across the region, especially moving to the late evening hours tonight. This is all thanks to area high pressure building in from the north that's going to provide us with this marine layer and cooler conditions across our region after we saw a record high yesterday. With the radar picture this morning, just seeing some ground clutter around the radars. Going to see a little bit of spotty shower activity develop across the central portions of the Delmarva Peninsula this afternoon associated with a weak disturbance trying to move through the region. Going to stay above or north of the Wallops region for the afternoon hours here. Only a slight chance of seeing a sprinkle. Looking at our vegetation band near IR, showing you the cloud cover this morning. You're going to see this low-level cloud cover just starting to move into the Wallops region. It is well in coverage across the central and northern portions of the Delmarva Peninsula, especially along the coastline. Going to see that continue throughout the day today. Looking at our 3-kilometer NAM model, this is going to give you an idea of what the radar may look like this afternoon. You can see these showers kind of developing across the central and northern portions of the Delmarva Peninsula. Moving to the evening hours, going to see a weak area of low pressure that's going to develop east and south of our region that's going to allow for us to have a possibility of some drizzle overnight, especially with these low clouds in here. And that's going to continue on into the early morning hours of Saturday. Before Saturday afternoon, we should see some breakup of that drizzle and even a breakup of the cloud cover. We move into our Sunday, going to see better sky conditions across our regions with lighter winds. So for the afternoon hours on Sunday, we should see temperatures warming back up into the 80s. Our current conditions as of 8:15 this morning, we had a broken deck at 900 feet, a broken deck at 7,000 feet. Clouds have moved in even more since I started the briefing. Could be seeing some overcast skies around 1,000 feet as we move into the mid-morning hours today. Have a wind at 50-degree azimuth at 12 knots, temperature 77 degrees, and relative humidity at 86%. Looking at our risk chart for today, we'll have a slight chance of a brief rain shower for the afternoon hours. That's going to be mostly confined across the northern portions and central portions of the Delmarva Peninsula. Going to see a high today around 78 degrees. Currently it's 77 degrees, so not going to see our temperatures move all that much at all for the morning into the afternoon hours. Once we move into late afternoon hours, we should see those temperatures drop in the mid to lower 70s. Our low tonight will be around 69 degrees. We'll see a yellow for precipitation for the overnight hours with a chance of drizzle or light rain with that weak area low pressure developing off our coast. Going to see our ceilings across our region around 1,000 feet today. Going to see our chances below 500 feet during the late evening into the overnight hours with a pretty good chance of seeing some ceilings or reduced visibilities after midnight tonight. Looking at our 24-hour terminal forecast, we'll have mostly cloudy to cloudy skies today, ceilings around 1,000 feet throughout the daytime period. And then overnight we'll see ceilings dropping down to 600 to 500 feet. And by tomorrow morning we'll see overcast conditions around 800 feet, possibility of some mist out there. We'll developing an overcast sky around 1,500 feet. We move into the late morning on Saturday. Our tides are half to 1 foot above normal. Looking into Saturday into Sunday, we'll see Saturday will be overcast with a slight chance of drizzle or light rain during the morning, then mostly cloudy to overcast during the afternoon, a high of 77 degrees. Yellow for precipitation, especially during the morning, and a yellow for our ceilings below 500 feet. Saturday night we'll see mostly cloudy skies with a chance of low cloudiness and patchy fog, a low of 67 degrees. Fairly light winds on Saturday night, so with those lighter winds and the abundant low-level moisture we have in the region, could be seeing those visibilities less than a mile with the patchy fog across our region. And then for Sunday, well, partly to mostly cloudy skies and warmer conditions, a high of 82 degrees. Green chart for Sunday. That's going to complete our 8:15 daily operations weather brief. I'm back at 10 o'clock to look at the next 7 days.